Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start further parts of speech. Adjective. Adjective is Latin word. Adjective is Latin word which is derived from adjectives. Adjectives, which means to aid. Which means to aid. Adjective indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feeling. Adjective is a word which indicates or designate quality, size, shape, duration, feeling. Adjective modifying a noun, pronoun or specifying words. Adjective is modifying a noun, pronoun or specifying words. Adjective is also called a modifier. Adjective is also called a modifier. Its definition is like this way. It is a word that gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Adjective is a word that gives more information about a noun or pronoun, or it describes a noun or pronoun. For example, he is timid. He is timid baby. He is a timid baby. Here, timid word is adjective. Timid word is adjective. How it is adjective? Because it represents what kind of baby? What kind of baby? Timid baby. He is a timid baby. It is representing adjective. So timid is here adjective. Number second example, I have a red pencil. I have a red pencil. What kind of pencil? I have a red pencil. So red is here adjective. I saw 6 sheep are grazing in meadow. I saw 6 sheep are grazing in the meadow. So meadow, here look at the words very carefully. Grazing in the meadow. Now very carefully look at the number of sheep. How many sheep? 6 sheep. So here the question is arising, how many sheep? So it is also adjective. There are 3 types of adjective. Number 1, positive adjective, positive adjective, comparative adjective, superlative adjective. Positive degree of adjective is generally known as whatever we are admiring or generally describing adjective. Comparative adjective, or we can say in this adjective we are not comparison anything. Okay, or we can say it does not make comparison. It is generally form of adjective. Comparative adjective. Now comparative adjective, they are used to compare one to another noun, means one noun to another. In this here we compare 2 objects at least. Superlative adjective. In superlative adjective we compare more than 2 things, or we can say we compare 3 or more than 2 things. That is why it is known as superlative adjective, and it shows something has greatest or lowest quality. There are certain rules to make comparative and superlative degree. We make comparative and superlative degree by adding er and est probably. Here are certain rules. Number 1 rule is described superlative and comparative degree. When positive degree or adjective is monosyllabic. When positive degree or adjective is monosyllabic. Monosyllabic are those words which have one sound or single vowel sound. Monosyllabic, for example, we add with them er to form comparative degree, and we add est to form superlative degree. There are certain rules to form comparative degree as according to rule number 1. Here look at the word positive, comparative and superlative degree. Nice, N-I-C-E, nice, N-I-C-E, nice. Here is only one vowel sound is producing, second vowel sound is not producing. Even in this word there are two vowels. One is E and other is I. But here is only one vowel sound is producing, so it is monosyllabic word. And the process we are making comparative degree with monosyllabic is there. N-I-C-E is present, so just we have to add in the end of adjective R to form comparative degree. N-I-C-E-R, N-I-C-E-S-T, nicest. Nicest is superlative degree. Now cold word is here, C-O-L-D, cold. Here is only one vowel and it is monosyllabic sound producing, so we are adding in the end of word er to form comparative degree. And coldest, coldest, it is a superlative degree. Tall, same word is here, tall, it is also monosyllabic word, so monosyllabic adjective. In the end of tall we are adding er to form comparative degree, and tallest, tallest, we are forming superlative degree. Fast, 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 here is a one vowel sound, here is one vowel sound, so in the end of the word, in the end of adjective, we are adding er to form comparative degree. And fast, est, we are adding in the end of fast word to form superlative degree. Some adjectives have two syllables. Some adjectives have two syllables, means they are bisyllabic. We replace y and add ier to form comparative degree, and we add iest to form superlative degree. This is number second rule. According to number second rule, the example is here, lazy, lazy. L-A-Z-Y, lazy. Look at the word lazy, lazy. There are two sounds are producing, so it is a bisyllabic. One is lay and other is z, lazy. So it is bisyllabic word. We will replace y. We will replace y and add ier to form comparative degree. And here L-A-Z, replacing y and adding iest to form superlative degree. Likewise, here is another word is suppose funny, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Funny is positive degree, but if we want to make comparative degree, y we are cancelling. At the place of we are replacing y, at the place of y we are adding ier to form comparative degree, funnier. Now F-U-N-N-I-E-S-T, funniest. Now here it is a superlative degree and this is a comparative, funnier is comparative degree. Hope so you understood. Number third rule, some adjectives have more than two syllables. Some adjectives have more than two syllables, and we add more word before adjective to form comparative degree, and most word before adjective to form superlative degree. It's very simple. We can say those words, those adjectives which are polysyllabic are more than two syllables they have, then we are easily forming them. Just we have to put more before the adjective word to form comparative degree, and put most before the adjective to form superlative degree. For example, positive degree example here is according to rule number third. Intelligent, intelligent, intelligent word is here given. Now intelligent is adjective and it producing more than two sounds, more than two syllables. Intelligent, intelligent, it is based on three sounds and it is polysyllabic known as. So very simple rule, before this intelligent word we are adding more to form comparative degree, and most before intelligent word to form superlative degree. Just like here is another word, charming. Charming, charming is positive degree. Charming is positive degree. So before charming word we are adding here more to form comparative degree, and most word, most charming, before charming most word we are adding to form superlative degree. Here is fantastic. Fantastic word is here. Before fantastic we are adding more to form comparative degree, as well as most word before fantastic to form superlative degree. That's all. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.